Hello, hello, and happy April. This month, our club intention for April is gratitude. And we are surely hoping that we get as gigantic of a dose of gratitude going on this month as we got last month for our intention, which was transformation. So we'd like your help because we really want to flood the airways with as many sharings as possible about what brings you gratitude and how you show gratitude. And it really is a two-way, conversation in a sense, but a conversation without words. So gratitude obviously is the feeling of being thankful, a feeling of appreciation and a willingness to return a kindness. But there's actually a lot of research about gratitude too, that it helps us to feel positive emotions. It helps us to improve our health, to create stronger relationships, to handle adversity, and to relish experience. So I wonder what makes you feel grateful, and I think there's a couple of big ones for all of us, right? Health, which is really being compromised right now, and certainly comes to the forefront. Love, connection with people that we care about, right? Relationships and having purpose, right? Feeling important and that we really matter. But also there's things that make us feel grateful that don't really speak with words and don't involve in a relationship at all other than a relationship with our planet. So for me, a lot of the amazing things that fill me with gratitude are fleeting. Things like falling stars, rainbows, the sound of the ocean, standing in a swath of trees in the wind when the leaves are blowing all around. So these fleeting things can bring us an equal amount of joy and bliss and gratitude and can expand us. And then once we're filled with all those feelings of positive emotions and high vibrations, the flip side of gratitude is, how do you show it? Like, how do you express it? Obviously, a thank you card, a kind word, a hug, a smile. Looking at someone in the eyes who you don't even know. And that's such a warm feeling, right, of connection and giving back. But also your entire life is sort of an expression of grace and how much you're really aware of. A lot of times it's just sitting still and listening to that which doesn't use words. So please help us to flood the airways with gratitude, even in the midst of challenge. There are always silver linings. As Mr. Rogers says, there's always helpers. So if you would please share. Below, you can put in the comments here. You can send us a note, post it somewhere, anywhere. But thank you so much for listening. Be grateful, be healthy, be well.